In this video, I will be teaching you mensuration. What is mensuration? A mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with measuring shapes, like length, area, perimeter, volume, and surface area. In WASSCE, they love to test how you handle composite shapes, shapes made of two or more basic ones. Perimeter. It is the total distance around the edge of a closed 2D shape. Two, let's look at area. It is the total surface covered by 2D shape. Now, we have our perimeter and we have our area. Our perimeter, the total distance around the edge of a closed 2D shape. And area, the total surface by a 2D shape. We understand this. Now let's look at key formulas that we're supposed to understand. We have shape, we have perimeter, and we have area. Under shape, we have rectangle. The formula for rectangle under perimeter is 2 bracket L plus W, which is the length plus width. The area is L times W. 2, circle. The formula is under perimeter 2 pi r, which is the radius, circumferences. The area is 2 pi, the area is pi r square. 3. We look at trapezium. Trapezium. The perimeter is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. The area for trapezium is 1 upon 2 a plus b multiplied by h. These are the key formulas that we should look at. We are moving into 3D. Think of volume as how much water a container can hold, which is the capacity. The total surface area, which is the TSA, as how much wrapping paper you need to cover it completely. For WASSCE, always check if a cylinder is open at one end or closed. It changes your formula. 1. The cylinder. A solid with two parallel. A solid with two parallel circular bases. Under the cylinder, we have to look at 1. Volume. Volume is equal to V pi r square times h. We look at curved surface area, which is the CSA 2 pi radius times height. 3. Total surface area. This is closed. And we have 2 pi r times r plus h. The cone. A shape with a circular base. A shape with a circular base that tapers to a point vertex. The cone, a shape with a circular base that tapers to a point vertex. We look at volume. V equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Then we look at the slant height. Slant height. Found using Pythagoras, which is L is equal to, with the slant, root r square plus h square. Move on to 3, the sphere. A perfectly round geometrical object like a football. Draw it like this. Here is the radius. Now we have to look at the volume. V is equal to, this is a formula for the sphere, pi upon r cube. The surface area is equal to, A is equal to 4 pi r square. Let's put this into Practice. WASSCE often asks you to find one variable when the others are given. Use pi equals to 22 upon 7. Now let's look at WASSCE example. Now let's put this into practice. WASSCE often asks you to find one variable when the others are given. Use pi equal to 22 upon 7. They have given pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. We have to use it now. Example 1. A cylindrical water tank has a radius of 7 meters and a height of 10 meters. Calculate its capacity in m cube. Solution. We use our formula. V is equal to pi multiplied by r squared multiplied by h. We substitute it. V is equal to, they're giving us pi already. Pi is 22 upon 7 times 7 square, which is the area. The area is 7 meters times the height is 10. Now we have put the value in to the formula. V is equal to 7 cancel 7. So we have 22 times 7 times 10. When you calculate this one, is equal to 1540 meter cube. This is our solution for cylindrical. Example 2. Find the total surface area of a cone with a base radius of 3 centimeters and a vertical height of 4 centimeters. Solution. First, we have to find slant height. Find slant height. This is our slant height. For example, like L is equal to root 3 square plus 4 square, which is root 25. Root 25 is equal to 5 centimeters. 2. The another thing we have to look for, we have to use the TSA formula, total surface area, which is pi times r, bracket open, r plus slant height. And the next one now, find the TSA, the total surface area. The pi here is 22 upon 7. Our r, which is the radius, is 3 times 3. Multiply by, bracket open, r is 3. Then our L, which is the slant height, plus 5. 22 upon 7 times 3 plus 5, 8. 3 times 8 give you 24. 24, which is 22 times 24 give us 528 upon 7. 528 divided by 7, approximately we'll be having 75.43. So our final solution, therefore, 75.43 centimeters square. This is our answer. Example 3. If the surface area of a sphere is 616 centimeters square, find its radius. I equal to 22 upon 7. The solution. 4 pi, we'll take the formula. 4 pi r square is equal to 616. 4 times, our pi is 22 upon 7. 4 times 22 upon 7 times, we don't know our r square. We don't know our r, the radius. So times r square is equal to 616. 4 times 22 will give us 88 upon 7 times r square is equal to 616. If we take r square to be the subject, 88 upon 7 will be 7 upon 88. Therefore, r square equals to 16 times 7 upon 88. We'll do the reciprocal. Bring the 88 down, the 7 go up to numerator because we'll make the r square to be the subject. 616 times 7 divided by 88 will give us 49. Therefore, r square is equals to 49. But r has square. So what can we do for to get r? We square the both sides, which is r square is equal to 49 square. We square the both sides. The square we cancel the root. So it remain r is equal to, the square root of 49 is 7. Therefore, r equals to 7. Therefore, our answer is 7 centimeter. The secret to passing mensuration is checking your units. If the radius is in centimeter but the height is in meters, convert them first. Okay? If this video is helpful to you, please like, comment and share. Don't forget